AI is changing the future of work, and the skills that matter most aren't what you think. You don't need coding. You need adaptability and the ability to guide AI. Here are the core skills that matter most. Skill 1, prompting. Clear instructions lead to better AI results. If you can guide AI effectively, you can work faster and smarter. Skill 2, critical thinking. AI gives options. Humans choose direction. Knowing what's useful, what's accurate, and what's wrong becomes essential. Skill 3, creativity. AI amplifies ideas. Those who think creatively will lead the future. Skill 4, problem framing. If you can clearly describe a problem, AI can offer solutions. Skill 5, adaptability. New tools launch daily. The fastest learners gain the biggest advantage. Skill 6, collaboration. Humans and AI are becoming teammates. Knowing how to work with AI, not fight it, is a superpower. Here's the simple truth. AI won't replace people. People who use AI will replace people who don't. If you want clear, simple guides for future-ready skills, subscribe to AI Unlocked.